How to use commas, semicolons, colons, and hyphens. The comma. Commas are very important, almost as important as a period. Now, how can we use a comma? Well, a comma signals a pause or separation between parts of a sentence. You can use commas in lists to separate 3 or more items in a series. You can also use a comma after conjunctive adverbs or the first of 2 adjectives in a row to describe the same thing. You can also use commas to set off names or in a direct address. Also, you can use a comma between the words and, or but. That is after an introductory adverb clause. But you do not have to use a comma with an adverb clauses that come at the end of a sentence. Use a comma or a pair of commas to set off an adjective clause that is non-essential and merely gives additional information. Use a comma or comma to set off a direct quotation. And you can use a comma at the end of a letter. And please use commas to make sentences less confusing. Examples. Yes, comma, because you're saying yes, it's your statement, it's your reply. Yes, the end of the school year is less than a week. The last day of school is on June 17th, 2016. Now you need a comma here and a comma here to right after June 17th and then between 2016. It's basically you want to separate 2016. The last day of school is on June 17th, 2016 on a Friday. Last summer I went to North Conway, comma, New Hampshire to go hiking. Now, so this is a town, and this is a state right here. So you need a comma here after the town, kind of like here with the date. And then on New Hampshire you want to separate it like what you do with 2016. This summer I want to go north hiking, comma, however, comma, it takes a while to drive up north. Now you want to have however with a comma here and a comma there to separate it. The semicolon joins compound sentences not connected with a conjunction. It can also separate a group of words. It is extremely sunny outside today, semicolon, yet I do not see anyone outside. So, there's a semicolon here, and this and this could be a sentence. They are combined by the semicolon. So the semicolon replaces like a word like and in this case. I could say, it is extremely sunny outside today, and yet I don't see anyone outside. If you have an iPad, it is important to own a headphones, a charger, and a case, semicolon, and a wall adapter for the charge cable. So basically it's a list that has ended but has restarted. See, semicolon here, the list continues from over here. The colon. The colon introduces a list, quotation, question, or example. Examples. I dropped my bag and everything spilled out. Books, pens, pencils, and homework. So I have created, so you can see the semicolon here. And I could say I dropped my bag and everything spilled out. But this, I can be more specific and tell you more information about it. The hyphen. The hyphen joins 2 parts of a word together, or it connects 2 words together. The hyphen is also used for compound numbers from 21 to 99. Lastly, the hyphen is used in written fractions between the numerator and the denominator, unless there's already a hyphen there. Examples. Up to date. You have the hyphen here, and you have the hyphen here. 26. It is in the numbers. And notice how I don't say 26. That would just be 20 minus 6 would be 14. 2/5. So it would represent 2/5. And since we're not doing subtraction here, it's supposed to represent 26. 68th is also a fraction. The end.